Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2025 Mazda CX-5 Carbon Edition. So this vehicle has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 227 horsepower. And this one has a very nice interior. It has this beautiful terracotta brown leather. I really like it. And you also have this, it feels like, I guess it's suede, I guess you could say that, but it looks really good. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. And this vehicle also has a 6-speed automatic transmission. You have a digital center gauge, and then the other ones are analog. It looks pretty nice. The materials feel really good in here. You have sport, normal, and off-road modes, and I like how the gauges change color when you do that. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as you can see over there. I'm not sure if they're wired or wireless. And here's your reverse camera. You have a 360 view, and you also have the regular view over there. You also have an auto hold feature too. Ventilated seats, very nice. Also heated seats, always a good thing to have. And you have a Bose sound system in this car. You have a regular sunroof, not a panoramic roof. Rear seats look good too. But yeah, the interior in this one is just really, really good. Definitely an eye catcher. And even you have some nice leather on the door as well. Everything feels good. So let's walk around this car. Exterior is finished in rhodium white. And I forgot to mention, the car also has the head-up display. It's like a nice metallic white. And you have black wheels and a black grille. Good looking SUV. Here's the rear of the vehicle. Dual outlet exhaust. It says Sky Active G Turbo. This one's also an all-wheel drive. Here are the rear seats. Definitely a little bit cramped back here, but it is a compact. It's kind of like a crossover. And here's the trunk. The trunk looks pretty good. Looks like decent storage, and I like that CX-5 all-weather matte. Yeah, this white is a very nice shade of white, and the pearl flake is very apparent. Great color combination on this one. Let's get it out on the road and see how it drives. So looks like it's a phone holder or something over there. So it looks like you can only use this rotary dial to control the center screen. It is not a touch screen. I really like the leather on the steering wheel. It's high quality leather. It's actually pretty quick. This has good, seems like this car has good power for daily driving. Seats feel comfortable as well. And yeah, it's feels good. You also have paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. But I feel like most people who, you know, are shopping for a CX-5 don't really care about paddle shifters. The new CX-5 is coming out. They redesigned it, and I think it's coming out for the next model year. But so this is like the last of this generation. The engine has a interesting sound to it. I like it. This car is nice. With Mazdas, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Like, they look stylish and they're nice cars to drive, and the interiors are very nice too. And you pay, and they're very affordable, you know? The CX-5 is a very popular crossover SUV for good reason. And I can't really, I'm gonna say it again, I really love this brown terracotta interior. It's gorgeous. It looks really, really good. Very nice shade of brown leather. It looks very classy. And if you were to get this color interior, anytime you have a passenger, they'd probably make a comment about how nice it looks. I think it looks very nice. It's always nice to have a nice interior with a good color, because, you know, you'd be spending a lot of time inside your car. Might as well get something that looks good and is appealing to you. Yeah, that's nice. I really like how the gauge turns red, the center gauge, when you put it in sport mode. That's a nice little touch. A very nice car to drive. I like it a lot. And I'm very interested or excited to test the new Mazda CX-5 once it comes out. It's probably going to be a good car, because I really like the new Mazda CX-90 and Mazda CX-70. I think they look really cool. I have videos on both of those. I actually haven't driven a CX-5 in a while, to be honest. This is the first time I'm in a 2025 CX-5, and I'm pretty impressed with it. This is a good vehicle. Steering is nicely weighted too, especially in the sport mode. This car is enjoyable to drive. A lot of crossovers are just very bland and boring, and, you know, are not fun to drive at all. But this car is nice to drive. Nice steering. The engine sounds really cool. The acceleration's good, and the transmission shifts well too. Like, it does everything you want it to. For a Mazda CX-5, this is, you know, it does the job. It does a great job of transporting you from point A to point B. I'm impressed with this car. It definitely surprised me. I didn't really have any expectations going into it, but after driving it, I really enjoyed it. But anyways, that concludes today's video. Thank you for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice vehicles like this Mazda CX-5 Carbon Edition.